In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily hide and open sidebar on Deepseek app. Let's get started. First, make sure you have Deepseek app on your phone and open your Deepseek app. To open the sidebar, you can see two horizontal lines at the top left corner. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, the sidebar should slide in right on the side. Now if you want to hide the sidebar, simply tap on the two horizontal line again right here, just like this. Or you can also simply tap on the icon right here and tap anywhere in this area and it will hide the sidebar just like this. Once you hide the sidebar, you will have your full screen to write the message and all. You can toggle the sidebar whenever you need it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this.